Hi everyone. Take a look at a few of these artifacts together. Found, oh, there's a little shrimpy on that one. This is a neat little plate. You can see the blade edge on it. And in the color here, you'll be able to see what looks like a human image. That is indeed a human image painted in on the stone. This creek has recently been overflowed by a construction project. You can actually see right there, if I can move my hand across here, there's the little carvings and the dot there for the eye. So you can see a little carving in there. Think of, I don't know, cave art. You can see a little face profile sticking out there. So on these stones, there's several different images of lots of different things. As a migratory people that were moving around. Oh, there's a great interior. So we see the outside image here, this little point being the nose right here. And you can see if you look for where the eye and the mouth is, you might see a little tucked in version. And furthermore, on the interior here, you see a nose poking out here, a carving for an eye. You can see the circle, little lines and stuff in there. And you can see maybe a mouth. Now upside down and different ways, this will also be other faces. So that's why it's not exactly super clear. Let's go ahead and turn it upside down and take a look at it this way. You can see perhaps the males were on one side, the females are on the other. It's hard to say. But we have a little character here on the bottom. You can see the dugout eye, little face in there with a very large headdress. And different distances help. So if you're using your cell phone, if you guys go back and pause it, move your cell phone away and pull it back forward again, you can see different images there. So that's just one of these stones here. There's so many. And we could spend hours on each one. There's a beautiful face here, as you guys can see, probably. And it's going to be really tough to pick up, but we have a beautiful image with the bird. So the painted bird head is what we're seeing here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So you see the colored crest of the bird, the eye, the beak, and the shape of the bird's head there. So let's go ahead and take a look at it a little further away. Seeing some other points and markings. So here's another bird head this way. We can see the beak and the carving, the circle, the dot for the eye, the round head, how the beak comes down right here, how the neck comes around. And here to the left, we have our human portrait. Different ways, and the water a little bit helps to see it. So I see a portrait here with the cheekbone, the mouth open. So this one here. That's pretty nice. As if the character is looking to the left. Yes, these little alien face shaped characters, it's for real. I know. I know. So this is a great one to show you how these can all match up and create other images. So as we tilt it further, you can see how these other images start to reveal themselves. So I don't mean to scare you, you know, but this is what we got out here, y'all. So Story Stone. Very cool. Well, thanks for checking this one out with me, guys. It's a really neat one, and I'm glad you guys were able to share it with me. Bye-bye.